Hi guys, Dave's here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about the sander I bought here. I bought this Ryobi from Home Depot. It's a 4" by 36". It's BD4601G. I've had this thing for almost a year now, and I'm pretty pleased with it. This is a good sander for a hobbyist. You know, if you had a lot of production run, you don't want this. You know, get you something a little beefier. But for a hobbyist, this works out good. This folds up, put it straight up or any angle in between here that you want. The belts are easy to change. Okay, the little table. You got a little knob here, a little plastic knob. I gotta tie it. And it's just got a lot of play in it. That's the one thing I think they need to make some improvement on. I mean, you get it set where you want it and tighten it up, and it's pretty good. But I just don't like the way it adjusts there and everything. But you know, for the price, I guess you can't beat it and everything. Let me show you it in action here. Okay, I'll show you the edge sander here. So I mean, you can sand the ends flat or round something over a little bit and everything. I mean, it does a good job, but like I said, it's for hobbyists. Okay guys, let me show you how easy the belt comes off. You flip the handle, just raise it up out of the way, and then just slide the belt off. Now these belts do go on one way, so you should have some arrows in there, so be sure to put it back on that way. Just stick it back on there. This is the little tracking knob in case the belt's kind of going to one way. You turn it a little bit and you'll adjust it some and try to keep track in the middle. So overall, you know, I think I give this an 8 out of 10. And like I said, this here is probably the weakest link of it. Okay, it does have a 2.5" outlet to hook up your shop vac if you wanted to for it, and that'd come in handy really for sanding. I've not got it hooked up right now. Now the tilt table here, now it will adjust up and down. Like I said, I think this is the weakest link of it. I think they need to make a little bit more improvements on it. Now I've got mine fastened down to my table here, just using some screws. I mean, you can see it. Got one here and two on the other side. It's been pretty sturdy, and you know, I use this off and on. So I mean, I'm just a hobbyist, weekend warrior. But I thought I'd give you a review about it and let you know if you're considering it. For hobby work, this is excellent. Thanks for watching, guys.